Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this ALCATEL. Firstly, just go into Play Store, click on this search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using the app, allow, and finally Home button. Over here you can go into Devices Settings, scroll down, click on Home Screen and Lock Screen, tap on Default Home app and select iOS Launcher. After that, click on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between your layouts if you wish to by going into Settings again, tapping on Home Screen and Lock Screen, Default Home app, and tapping on over here Launcher to go back into the default one, or iOS to set up Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!